First, press and hold the power button on device unit 1 for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold the power button on device unit 1 for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. The red and blue lights will flash. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings. Find the X10 Plus in the list of available devices and tap to pair. After the connection is successful, open your phone's music player and play music. Scroll up to increase the volume. Scroll down to decrease the volume. You can click the power button to play or pause the music. To switch to the previous song, first click the scroll wheel on machine 2 and then scroll down. To switch to the next song, first click the scroll wheel on machine 2 and then scroll up.
EJEAS, ride the wind and chase the dream with safety as the guard.